all read our emails every day, but do you check your calendar first thing? Maybe it'd be easy to have an email sent to you with your agenda for the day. Hi, I'm Michelle, computer trainer, here sharing tips and tricks to make your everyday computing life a bit easier. So, did you know Google Calendar can send you your agenda every day in an email? Let me show you how. Here I am in Google Calendar, and we've got our calendars over here on the left hand side. Hover over whichever one you want, so I'm going to choose my main one, and click the three dots or the three ellipses, which is the options. In the dialog box or the message, click Settings and Sharing, and then we're going to scroll down, and we could actually just click down Other Notifications, and that scrolls down for me. If not, you're going to just scroll down there, and we've got a whole bunch of different things, but the one that we want is Daily Agenda here at the bottom. I'm set to none, so as you can see I don't actually receive anything at the moment, and all I need to do is change it to say email. The notification settings are saved, and that's it. Click on my arrow next to settings in the top left corner, and that's it. I am now going to get an email with notifications for my daily agenda. Quick and easy. If you like this quick tip, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified as new videos are uploaded.